Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will review to you guys the Huawei watch fit that I purchased last 2 weeks I think. Okay, and after I use it for 2 weeks, I wear every single day, every single time to look at how good it is. Okay, so today we will review the watch and let's see what's inside, how the apps looks like, what's the what's the software inside, what the application that they provide inside the watch. Okay, so maybe you forgot how the watch look like. Okay, this is the watch. Okay, this is the box. Okay, the Huawei watch fit, the name is Huawei watch fit. I think it's launched on the 20th September this year. It's really new, it's really fresh in the market. You can purchase it by yourself. You can go to any online store and let's see, and you can purchase by yourself. Okay, so this is the watch, how the watch looks like. Okay, it's simple. Okay, so this is the watch, and okay, how to operate, you just click and it will come out like that. Okay, then if you go slides to it, if you go slides to the right, I mean like to the right, you will see the heart rate. Okay, right now don't have because you need to wear it. Then you can see it. There you can see the stress rate. Okay, they will calculate the stress rate and the weather. Then we have the steps and the calorie that you burn today, and that's a watch. All right. Okay, if you take from the above, okay, you will have the setting. We have the night mode. We have the sleep mode. We have the clock. We have the alarm. Okay, and this is like to ring your phone. Maybe you want to find your phone somewhere, you forgot. You can click the button. There you can know your phone, where your phone is. Okay, all right. And if you swipe from the below, you can see is a notification. Okay, it's a notification area. Okay, all right. Okay, so where's the others application? You must click one more time. Okay, so from the birth we have a lot of, we have the workout, we have the workout record, we have the workout status, we have the heart rate. Okay, we have the heart rate, we have the oxygen level, we have the activity, sleep, stress mode, and also the breathing exercise. Okay, all right. Okay, so that's how it's like inside. Okay, the best part about this watch is, I'll show you a bit clear here. Okay, you can see it here. Alright, if you click this one, okay, you go to the top, you will go to the workout. Okay, the workout. And the workout, we have so many options here. Okay, we have from the top, we have a lot of option here. You can see it. Okay, you can see it. Alright. For the top, we have the fitness course. We have the 12 running course. Okay. Alright. And we have the outdoor run. Then we have the indoor run, the outdoor walk. And the best part is here. You can go to the below. The bottom you can add. Okay, so there's 60 more sports modes. Okay, there's more 96 sports mode you can choose before you go to your exercise or swimming. You can go to anywhere, like you want to walk, you want to play dodgeball, or you want to play badminton, you want to play soccer, you want to play football. You can choose, and before you want to start, if you want to start your exercise, you can click start. Then it will calculate all the calories you burn, like your heart rate. Okay, for example, I give you one example. You want to bet, you just like on the left like that. Okay, for example, like recently I play badminton a lot, so you can watch here badminton. So I can click the badminton here. Okay, so like there's one. Okay, there's a start button. So whenever you're ready, just click the start button, and it will vibrate a bit, and you can start the exercise. Okay, this is the time, and this is the heart rate, and this is the calorie you burn, and this is the aerobic rate and also anaerobic rate, and this is your time, heart rate, and same calorie. Okay, so that's the information that they provide to you, so that you can manage your exercise better lah. Alright, you know how much calorie you burn. It's easier for you. Okay, then whenever you want to stop, you just click on the button here and you stop, and then end your workout. That's it. Alright. Okay, the other like application that they put, I think the most important part, I think, is the alarm, I think, for me. Okay, the alarm. Okay, you can customize your alarm. So this is really easy for me to wake up in the morning, because I can watch it while I sleep, and in the morning the alarm will vibrate and it will wake me up. Okay. Alright. Okay. So then we have so many applications we have here. We have the flashlight, we have the alarm, timer, stopwatch, we have the weather, we have the notification. Okay. Alright. Okay, the thing that this, like, I will talk about the pro and cons on the next video. Okay. So today is just like I want to go to like the general about the watch. Okay. I forgot before I finish the video. Actually, you can choose a lot of choose a lot of like, we call it watch the face. Okay, you can go to setting. Here you go to the watch face, display, and watch face. So you can choose which face that you like. Okay, I think this is the best parts. So you can choose based on your own moods. Okay, example, I want to choose this one. I just click and that will come out. Okay, and you can go again. And you can try another watch face. You can choose the others. Alright, maybe this one look like complicated. You can look at so it's really nice. Okay. Alright. Okay, so that's first for my video. I will proceed with the next video with the apps. I will explain more about the apps. Okay. And okay, hopefully this is helpful for you if you want to purchase this watch. Alright, it is helpful, hopefully, because I will try to go as detailed as possible to help you guys, to provide you a lot of information before you purchase this watch, because I know, like, I think this one is quite, the price is in the mid price. It's quite expensive to some people, so like before you spend your money, you must know first how the watch is look like. Okay, so I think that's all for today. Don't forget to subscribe and like my channel. Click the notification button, so you will get update with any video that I post on my YouTube channel. And hopefully this channel might help many of the people out there to have information before they buy anything. Okay, that is all for today. Thank you for your time. Stay safe and have a nice day.